So magandang araw Kabola, isa pa pag-uusapan natin sa video po na ito Kabola, more of historical Kabola kasi may nilabas po na all time 5 po Kabola si Alex Compton. Then pag-uusapan natin sa big man free agent Kabola na target daw ngayon ng mga mabigating team. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Una-muna of course, congratulations kay James Yap. Currently now the record holder po for most all-star game and he did that 18 for 18. In short, sa 18 years siya po sa PBA, 18 times din po siya napunta sa all-star. So it's undisputed talaga na si James Yap was the one or the most popular player po sa PBA in the 21st century. Kabola, diba? I think that's already undisputed with this level po ng kanya pong longevity Kabola, and then yung ganun din po ka-consistent, ka-sustainable yung kanya pong naging popularity. So congrats kay James Yap. I hope he will find satisfying end sa kanya pong career. Ito na po, no? So nagulantang si Coach Alex Compton kasi tinanong po siya Kabola na kanyang all-time 5. Anong binigay niya po is Fajardo, Menk, Ranidel, Johnny A, and then si Kaidik Kabola. So as you can see, this 5, of course, hindi naman niya to talaga in a way po nabigyan siya ng oras para pag-isipan, diba? It was a question by the media and he need to answer quickly, and ito po yung nilabas niya na 5. And if you look at this 5 Kabola, it is actually a very non-modern or traditional type of 5 Kabola. Si Janmar Fajardo, of course, he will be unstoppable inside. Eric Menk, actually, sarili lang sila ng, in a way, style kasi si Eric Menk din talagang inside operator ito Kabola. So, doon talaga didikdik sila sa loob. So, kung yung mga kalaban nila or papatapat mo dito Kabola, if 5 players po na medyo malambot po sa loob, talagang kakainin nila ito. Ang problema lang dito kasi Kabola, una sa opensa, kulang sila yung spacing. Of course, Kaidik will bring a lot of spacing. He is easily the greatest shooter of all time sa history po ng Philippine basketball Kabola, di ba? So with that, he will bring a lot of spacing, pero still, kung siya lang po yung magbibigay ng spacing na yan, mahirapan sila. Ranidel can of course space the floor din Kabola, pero I do not think it is enough sa kanilang dalawa. And then pangalawang problema dito is depensa Kabola. Sa depensa, they have a non-versatile kung sakasakali, diba? So madali na itong expect. So overall, is this a championship caliber 5? Of course, pero yung kumbaga ito ba yung greatest all-time 5? I do not think so Kabola. So marami pwede pong panapat dito. Now, pag-usapan natin Kabola, ito nga pong lumalakas po na rumor regarding po Kabola dito kay Troy Reich. So may dalawa na kasi, contrasting. The first one was brought by Bolly's Life, PH Playoffs. San Miguel daw contacted former Northport center Troy Reich Kabola. So ito nga pong si Troy Reich Kabola last played for Northport Batang Pier. So the plan is of course gawin po siyang backup ni Fajardo, and he will be an excellent fit Kabola dito nga po sa San Miguel Beerman, diba? Dahil nga po he is a modern center who can really hit those long bombs. So bagay siya yung partner dito kay Fajardo. Well, another one which is a Republica or Basketball Republic Kabola, Magnolia naman daw yung kumontak sa niya. And for this one, iba din, di ba? It will be an interesting duo with him and Sanggalang Kabola, and then meron pang James Laput. They will make it much deeper kung talaga makakuha nila si Troy Reich. Pero, unfortunately, di ba? The reality is, currently po, ito pong si Troy Reich is, yung right niya po is wala na pong iba kundi Northport Kabola. So, kailangan din ako sabi yung Northport. Pero alam naman natin yung connection po ng Northport sa mga SMC team. So, it is really possible naman Kabola. Now, which between the two teams need him more? I think, of course, Magnolia need him more, diba? Kasi may katandaan na si Sanggalang and injury prone. Overall, we are hoping that Reich can come back sa PBA kasi we are a big fan. So, baka pa sa palagay mo, babalik kayo sa Reich, comment na po sa baba.